So you put it away like that. Except for, see this little, where'd that piece go that we broke? Oh, see that piece broke off right there. Just by him pulling it out, that piece fell off. But I like how it has this handy dandy handle. And it has this rug stuff that's got grooves in it, so your dog can walk up the grooves. That's all fine and nice. I like the writing on the side. It seems like nice wood, but I don't know. Just the way that you have to stick this in there. It's very, what's the word I'm looking for? Stiff. It's stiff as stiff can be. And then, I mean, it's nice looking though. It's a very nice looking thing. I would say that's my only issue, is that this stuff is very stiff. So if you're going to be using it and changing where it goes back and forth, then you might want a WD-40 on it or polyurethane over it under here so it slides a little better, because if you pull it a little hard like my son does, mess it up.
Here it is at its highest setting, but it doesn't go up that far. Like on a bed, it goes like this. So you have to be careful. My dog seems to like it, but he can't make that final jump to the top. My biggest gripe about it, it has the pegs to put it in. But my biggest gripe about it is that I was hoping for compact, and this folds up into two. But after I put it up, this right here doesn't open. It's like jammed in there. Whereas on this side, you have a latch, and you can go like that. See, it has a little tip. This one is missing the tip. So I'm gonna have to go get a screwdriver or something, because I can't get it up. Just have a carrying handle. This is the underside. But again, not for tall beds.
¿Qué ve? Luna.
This ramp, it definitely is going to make so much easier, not only on my back, but not hurting her as well. It has very little steps in it, so she gets a little grip, and she could kind of walk up it with assistance, of course. As you can see, she is not sure about it and needed a lot of help up it. But this was only the first time using it. After a while, she got used to it, but I just forgot to record. This is her going down. I do highly recommend it since it is adjustable, though.
Allez, descends, viens là. Descends. C'est pas gagné, c'est pas gagné. Parce que s'il faut que je te donne des croquettes pour que tu comprennes, on est mal barré le chien. Allez, maintenant faut que tu remontes. Là. Viens chercher. Là. Allez, monte, monte, monte. Viens chercher. Là. Non. T'as rien compris, tu m'énerves. Tiens, viens. Là. Descendre. Voilà. Allez, monte. Monte. Là, va chercher. Là-bas. Je comprends rien, ce cabot, je vais m'énerver. Attends. Hé, là, regarde. Là. Voilà, monte, va chercher. Oh, t'es pas drôle du tout, là. Monte. Allez. Là. Viens. Viens vite. Bien. Oh, c'est bien ça. C'est bien. Oh, c'est bien ma soupe. Yes! Come on here! There you go! There you go! All right, first time.
Good girl. Good girl, Frankie. You did it.
What you can do though is have people talk about what happened so we don't